finally found something you like. Parmesan cheese. Parmigiana Reggiano. Are you gonna eat the rest of it? No. Just a nibble it. She walks away as if, oh, I can't believe I ate that. Would you like some of that, Pook Pook? Here. Come here. He goes down. Okay, I'm going to lift you up. Oh, Puka, Puka, Puka. Okay, let's go. Oopa. Oh. Oh, no, I can't do it with one arm. Oh, you scratched me. Okay, we're not going to do it like that. Here, Pook. Oh, now she comes back for second? You didn't tell me you do second. No, I just want you to clean away that smell of cheese off my table.